Good morning. It is cold outside. I live in the Pacific Northwest and we are getting hit right now with snow. But I grew up in Colorado, so it's kind of it wasn't uncommon to see 3 foot snow, there. Anyway, I came down to the shop to feed Mao, Chairman Mao. He's the cat that lives here. He decided that he wanted to live here. So we're letting him. He keeps the mice away. And I wanted to talk about something that's been on my mind recently. And it's how important health is to living a good life. Like, I don't think that people really think about it. Maybe more today's generation does, but it still sort of took me almost 30 years to go, hey, maybe you should start taking care of yourself, because this isn't going to last forever if you abuse it. So I have created Jason's Pyramid of How to Live Good. And here at the foundation is health. This thought didn't just happen today. Actually, it's been ongoing for about a year. I've lost 30, almost 40 pounds being on a Whole Foods plant-based sort of diet. I did go off of it for a little bit, but I'm getting back on it, and I want to bring you along because I think that you would benefit from seeing what a healthy diet lifestyle. Of course, not for everybody. Everybody is different. Sometimes you have to adjust things for your own health, and that's perfectly fine. But today I'm going to make a burrito, and that will make sense in just a minute. I'm going to head back up to the house. You say hi to people? Oh, you good kitty, German. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Look how comfortable you look. Also, your face swelling has gone down. Good. You're just a good kitty. He likes to get into fights with other cats, which is why he's in here now. Welcome to the kitchen. As I said before, I've lost about like 30 to 40 pounds doing a Whole Foods plant-based thing. Sometimes, though, because this diet takes a lot of time in the kitchen, I just want to grab something to eat, go, get to work. So I've been picking up these Sweet Earth Big Sur breakfast burritos, and they're alright. They're vegan. They got like... they're mainly made out of potato and seitan, however you want to pronounce it, tofu. But they're almost $3 a burrito. So what I'm going to do is basically make a ton of burritos and stuff them in the freezer. So I can just take them out, microwave them whenever I want. And also, in addition to that, I'm going to make some breaded seitan chicken stuff. I found a recipe online for it. The recipes for this stuff will be in the description. This isn't gonna be a cooking thing, so enjoy the montage. update on what I've been doing here. I have successfully cooked my first batch of seitan, or seitan. Satan. Basically like bread meat. And it's surprisingly like bread meat, or meat. Over here we have seitan, basically fried chicken strips, which they taste almost like the real thing. This one looks like a tiny drumstick. So by the time this is done, I'll have a ton of burritos ready to eat at a moment's notice. Just pop them in the microwave. Done.